Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this chemical. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
FiPro is a fipronil foaming insecticide. This product works by interfering with the insect's nervous system. FiPro controls many different species of insects, but we typically recommend it primarily for crack and crevice treatment of wood-destroying insects like carpenter ants and termites. Before using FiPro, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. FiPro comes in an easy-to-use aerosol can, no mixing required. Shake the can thoroughly, then push the included application straw into the nozzle. Remove the finger cover, and you're ready to spray. FiPro is typically used for crack and crevice applications to treat areas where insects can creep into your home. Spray it around windows, door frames, where plumbing and electrical wires penetrate the wall, and holes in sheetrock that could lead to termite galleries. After spraying, hold the nozzle in place for approximately 8 seconds to allow the product to expand and disperse into the treatment area. Keep all pets and people out of the treated areas until they're dry. FiPro has a long-lasting residual, but we recommend reapplying every 30 days for continual control. FiPro is not an instant kill. It can take a few hours to kill the insects after coming into contact with it. This makes the product more effective because it's also spread through contact, so an affected insect will return to the colony and infect others. It's also a non-repellent, so other insects will return to the treated areas and be affected as well. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll also need an insect growth regulator and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information. FiPro is limited to crack and crevice treatments, so it can only kill insects in those areas. It's also a non-repellent, which is ideal for certain insects like ants, which will travel through the treated areas and spread the chemical through contact, but it can be less ideal for other insects, as it will not stop them from coming into your home or business. If you're looking for a broader treatment method, check out Flex 1010, which treats similar pests and has a wide use label for indoor and outdoor applications.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.